In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change fonts here in Canva. Now, once that you have your text on the page like this, we simply want to click on that, come up here to the left-hand side where it says the font name, and if we click on there, we're going to have a lot of different options. We can also use the search bar just here to type in any specific type of font that we're looking for, or we can use these different styles just here with handwriting, corporate, display, and many more. If we click on one of these, we can check out rounded, and it's going to pull them all up down here. Now, the great thing about Canva is that they have hundreds and hundreds of free fonts for you to choose from. And if you also have a paid version of Canva, then you can also upload your own fonts. Now, let's say we wanted one of these, and let's say this one looked good, so we simply click on that, and now our fonts have been changed. So that's just how easy it is to change fonts here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it does really help out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.